What is the foundational economy? Think of the shop local movement. It's all about keeping money in the community, making greener choices, supporting good jobs and building local resilience. Now imagine going bigger and deeper and spreading this ethos across all public services, jobs and infrastructure in Wales. That's the ambition of the Welsh Government's foundational economy team, to strengthen everyday life from the ground up. The foundational economy approach is all about the everyday goods and services that we rely on to survive and to live a decent and secure life. Things like health and social care, housing, energy, food, transport, construction, and local shops. They are essential, and they're often delivered by local businesses or public bodies like councils and health boards, or community organisations like housing associations. They may not be flashy, but they support everything. Industries such as technology and advanced manufacturing can be fantastic for our economy, but the everyday foundational economy deserves our attention too, because if we neglect the foundation, everything above will become unstable. For more information, please visit gov.wales/foundational-economy.